Greetings in the name of the Most High. Jah, Rasta. Yeah, man. Stand of Judah Federal in Myjah. Yeah, early morning. After yet still now. I'm gonna work hard, but let's work holy. Yesterday until about 7 o'clock in the night. Yeah, man. And the thing, I do farm this, you know. Banana palm tree. Banana palm tree. Picks up the lime tree then, you know. Picks up the lime tree, give it a fertilizer, yesterday took up around the root. I hope not like it. Just sprout out. Banana tree. Just want a fork now. Just go and plow up the place and refurb it, you know. Refresh them. See it down among a coconut tree. So I make it push out some coconut. They will hold them hold upon it, you know. You can see them. Yeah, I mean plant them tree, you know. You just acquire the property. I want to have few upon it too. I got the chicken before they match. But I really need some coconut. Drink, you know. I don't know what this thing says. One of them I drop off here. I saw them start out. Yeah, that's how we supposed to buy my property. My boss. She's gonna upload the other day, you know. She's gonna show carrot. Someone pass street and pick out some of them leaves there still. That's what we saw recently and just in the rain upon it, you know. I thought I would sow the seed. That's what God bless me still. Every time we sow the seed. You know, alone as I sing, you sing, you know, I'm not sing food. We sing, I don't know. Mankind, you know. No man is perfect. I understand. See it. Over that little part, this, you know. You see? When I plug into the corner, when I leave that little tree, I cut down like a tree, burn back over this and cut it out. Before turn into a bush again. So I'm going to do that. I want to do it today, but you don't know it, go. Man, run out. So I saw some things the other day and plant some cucumber. See it? Yeah, man, see the seeds them start coming out there. But see them already. See them don't need fertilizer now for them. And spray. Water have insects. Water have insects. I'm going to shake one and two little things in there, you know. Like pop chow and I just test me out as a thing as because it's better. So I'm going to sow some of your call tomato. Yeah, see that one like something like going in there. Sorry, maybe at the bush you could see what going. The tomato bed this. I'm going to give you some sweet pepper. I don't know if the sweet pepper guani or a grass, but we have to see it. Because certain things are spring up in it still if you notice it compared to other places. Something like guani in the valley and so. Rastafari, give Jah glory. Yeah, man. So that's how I did upload recently. And I say, well plowed land. Man do it, you know. Manual, I don't know. Tractor with a driver, miss. No, man. You put it on. Grab up iron park. You know, say, you grab up the iron park and fling fork in the ground. Turn the side. Yeah. Jah be praised. Yeah, man, I go down there, so. Over here, so next. Out out, they set up on the hill. When I no chemical, can't do nothing. The bush have to move out, can't do property in place like this. No, no work, so respect the environment. Yes, I know. Back of money, if you burn it, reburn it. Well burn it, say job. So you just go through and just chop it down, cut out all like. Up to the banana, the bamboo trees. One plant of tree, I saw flowers up. So you call a sweetwood tree, you see. But and a good lumber, but I want it on the land, see me. God bless it. I have to check it. And if it's an ants nest up there, some of them duck and so not go find out. Yeah. So we clean up your son. So them there now, man, we just pass through. Want to rake it up. Clean it up perfectly. Some of the mango tree they need to cut down and to shade up the place, make it cool. So want a money now if you cut up them bottom limb there. That the sunlight can drop in it, because you know the plants love sunlight. Especially the early morning sunlight. With the moisture still in the air. It helps the wavelength of the ultraviolet light when it reaches the plant, and the plants always love that one coming through the mist. It affect the wavelength. It does something to the wavelength. That's the lion. So when we wake up in the morning and the sun touch you at Jamaica, man. For wavelength different, it make we happy, it make we nice. Want burn and split, man. Want get your glory. Christian people them want to shout Jesus. The old them must want to shout with Allah. And Hindu them want to shout with Brahma. But that's how the sun steer the sun do it. So when music sweet compared to every other music. Yeah, man, the sunlight in the music, the sunlight in the man. You know what I'm saying? Thank the seal me, you know, let's have a clean up large and me alone. Have mercy, Jah, but me happy to it. Wrap up, I find the energy, the strength, and the powers. But you know, say, Jah will give it to me. Just manually do it myself. Till we can do better. See carrots start coming at this, you know. You see them? Those are the carrots start. But I hold up a grass, it will burn out. But we keep going and go up so the carrot sinks. The carrot they like oh, but like him do it too thick. You understand? You know, shake it. I want to see nothing still. But let's watch it. Carrot will pop out like whoa. Carrot will pop out. So it will right out the sub you see plow carrots. The carrot will do it. So now plant one and two little thing, but nothing now bust out. Bust out, I say it's too strong at the ashes. Tree, you know. Pumpkin bust out though. We shake some herb seed, but we don't see on the herb seed that the herb seed no good. But that's when I let a bush up so fast. But carrot in the same way, so we have the bun already. We buy the bun off, bun out the bush. You know. Fusillade and cars when we buy. You know, we'll start burning it more. When the car them get stronger than the earth and the little stems them get strong. Then we put on a one burn, you see them? Them that, those you see, just type of leaf. All over the place, but it's too thick. John, when the man joke it out, it feel with the sewing, but I never say nothing. Because I know say Jah will bless it, make even all the way thick it does still. See it only and get fat. You know what I'm saying? But carrot like to be so thin, you know, like thick sewing. Too thick I sew again. So the next time I sew, I may have to do the sewing. See? But the rest will go by as Stu say, you don't know. But let's clean up, burn it. Clean it up in the dreadlocks. It's much work for the man, you know. Lord God. Man, I deal with it. I'm happy to survive. You see? The part I know like the later part. We down there we plow, so this one just saw the other day. So but I like how we have it in different duration, you know. I mean I cut this, you know. You see them do a portion of work. You know the thing. We burn on the bushes yesterday. So I come clean up this and fresh it up. But I can't do nothing to the pure field. You know, see, I have to work. So this next aside I have to plow up. You know, see? That's some clean it, go down to yesterday. Do not burning. Myjah. Yeah, man, somebody might come now, come cut out this. You know, see, because yesterday I had a big bush. Let's see if you bought it yesterday, you know. I like it work. Myjah bless. So come on, I'm just go through it and clean it up. Clean it up. I take all one day and clean it up. I just want to rake up the wood of them stone, yeah. Can you go through them right down there, so. You know, clean up the rubbish, clean them up, clean up, don't burn them the one day. Move up them thing, you know. You know, seeing. After I finished this yesterday, run some spray. You know, some of the bone down on the grass down for dry them up. Run off the whole of yesterday, you know. Way up there, so. Around there, so well burn, well spray. You know, seeing. I the general deal with the matter. Myjah. Most I watch it. So the whole of that stuff will move out. Yeah, man. See them, man. Me, deal with it. Watch and blossom for me. Plenty of tree, them, I hold them whole and pull up a pimento that we can reap and go sell a 2 pimento tree. Want to see it? But that one here blossom though. But this one is full of blossom. Yeah, a woodpecker that you see. Jah woodpecker, so Jah bless the land. You can see all these animals. And the next bird on the tree they still, you know. You can't see right there now. I hide my bird. You see the bird there? Here go peck now. I come and look at a place to make it nest and spring and come up here now. So I go find a nest here. And over the next side of this now. Go up right up on the hilltop up there, so you see. Across one wall there, see, you know, because we're from that big tree there. Tree, you see the tree coming, there's a wall there right there, go down there. So this is what I try to burn out yesterday with the spray. Seeing in them bush there. By the time we drop up there, so you know, the spray pan but bunch of them don't have. So last year, people are watching that laugh, but you know, a man determined. Yes, last year. Most I believe in God. Yeah, so. You know, there, I do it him. Giving glory to the Most High. I continually. Catch me roll it still. All my life. That's all me know, you know. When me a youth, I just jam me know. Jam me, you know, get myself addicted to. In every way, you know, saying. Shop down this, I wish you could have walked. King Selassie. Sweet to see that tree, this breadfruit tree. Start put on blossom, you know. You can see some of a beard right here, right now. Enough breadfruit, you know. See, we can show you how the stem start. Yeah, man. See it at this turn breadfruit. See it in the leaf, yeah, man. See how the breadfruit leaves still. The hand of God that give you out food, you know. Same finger still. Yeah, man. King Selassie. Yeah. Some paint and some money, you know. Enough thing to go on. See trees start grow back, all them become lick thing there, them don't know where I go. Nest still up there, the youth come spray the thing. But sometimes him come and go, you know. Because my parents need him medication, him getting juke. Tranquilizer. See, mental problem. Rastafari. Never live in God. Most High. That's some things still, you know. Just Rasta, alright. Yeah, man. So the place still. Judging of Babylon, you know. Yeah. Most High. Ever live in God. So these are the things I buy this, you know. The last of the money because things tough, you know. Yeah, man. Like I said, this, you have to buy the thing, you have to have a little thing there. You have to prepare. That's what I want. That one I name Car Zone 750 there. Keyboard say for collective control of weeds in tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, sugar cane, and turf grass. So it's a good to have a number of different plants that you can use. Tomato, potato, carrot, sugar cane, and turf grass. Yeah, man. So that time you are going to use now to burn out the carrot while you see it pull up on the grass, you know. The grass in it, them grass in the source of the night, you know. But normally a man have to go through with their hand and weed it out. But with the help of these sprays, we don't have to go through and, you know, just show it on the grass, burn and wither away and leave the carrots standing or the tomatoes or the sugar cane. This one I name Fusilade down. Coming at the liquid form, you see it? You see it, Fusilade. Fusilade. Yeah, man. And the Fusilade now. And the liquid one. So we're going to mix it two of them to get a good burn. You understand me? Rastafari. Ever live in God. Bless and keep God. I never nothing come cook last night. Just drink 2 cups of tea and go on my bed. Fertilizer. Selassie, yeah, man. King Selassie. Yeah. Rastafari. That's what I keep doing. So I want to find there. I don't. So I cut up my little weed and then I have a smoke. Hold a little jar. So in here, so I keep the thing there, my gloves and understand herb seed. I have some herb seed that still I really want to don't know, put out Gideon, you know. So I'm going out the bag and show you what I'm going to feed. Me just found it out the other day, but the rat them did near me out and a dreadlocks. Rat them vicious, bust up the bag. So we going, you know. Herb seed, about a quarter herb seed and more. But I didn't want to hold it, but the rat did get to it and come most. So I set them traps and catch them and them little snares. This is my little herb, this one. I took one piece, put it on my cutting table, you know. My weed, my little jar sensimilla. Yeah, I put a little piece of grabber with it, you see it. You know what I'm saying? I wish I see it, man. My thing that I'm a herb cup. I'm gonna Rastafari, I have a little herbs. To keep us going, you know. Without the ganja, I know man like we don't do. One piece more grabber still, so. So we come back now, so we don't have a regular sheet there. Just come back up with that. That's flavor. Come back and fix up the herb seed. Put them in a bag and put them away. That was King Selassie. Rastafari. So bag of fertilizer. Fertilizer I buy 11-22-22%. Granular fertilizer blend, you know, saying 50 pounds, can buy 100 pounds, 10 Yeah, man, that's King Selassie, ever living God. Jah, Rastafari. I say no such thing. Some clothes are soaked on me, I know it's going to wash the cool more, you know. Look at the chest there, you don't know. So you have to give us a Rastaman to underpants on the line. Selassie. Jah, Bosai. Ever living, yes, over there. See it, Zadata. Straight out of South Africa, the elephant they come from. It's a downtown Kingston, a coronation market, that picture there. And this is the general president of the Nabingi Theocracy government, Sizzla Kalonji. The man I get back them visa now, God bless him up, you know. Can touch back earth and have a lot, you know, can use the big things. And they love to provide for his community, for the children, for the elders. John, I don't know when do it. Sometimes all them youth keep all a birthday party, a 3-day last, but a 3 different segment. One for the community, and then one for the children, and then one for him. You see, the one for the children, general, God bless that man, everybody get a knapsack, them get a little drinks and this and that in a package to take home. Some of them get a little spenny, you know, to help them go to school. Because everybody poor in the ghetto there, you know. I don't say poor, but I no poor, no man, no poor in Jamaica, you know. And there's no money now around. You know, see, because man have the zest, powers and the intelligence to go at it, but how the thing said. You know, see, money in the pocket of the upper class and the top man. So how I tell you. You know, see, so the thing stay, and I say it's still from every time. From Babylon it stays, so. You know, so I stay at my ends this. And then I continue, I make some notes last night. I'm just going to read all them book there. So I'm better this can't keep me. More time depression and them thing they reach me. I have my Holy Bible and then I take my notes them and I write the things them that you see. Yeah man, some of them I write in my spare time. So last year I see my gun back there. And you know, you have your gun bag and you touch street. Post if you see the bag in them. You know why not blood clot. You know saying. I man say one umbrella yeah. When the rain fall hard at them place. And I like London City and them place where the rain drops fine. Them place where rain drops fat and beat boom, 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 boom. Yeah man. So really I ask me to come through as a gangster. You know see me? You know see him see the shop there. Child, that's a problem then. We need something to go and sustain it. You know, no livelihood. Just like a carrot or a matter take how much you can make. You know saying? King Selassie. Jah! Rastafari. You see, I'm going to come back and refurbish this place. I mean, do all of them work here and I'm going to come and place and mash up. Bless up facts. But see the problem, you know. You understand? See it crack go right down there, man. But underneath the the work I rush out. And some sand and cement fast. Jah! Next move that. See him with your man. Those kings that's I'm not getting one long thing. Just me have one pepper tree but it a go on good because they will make mistake. When I burn the grass with the chemical and the man spray it. You know I need the still. Pumpkin again powerful. Pumpkin road yeah. Give some fertilizer yesterday, you know. So I see my show off. So. Give that one or something, you know. My show off. You know see. But that coconut tree are too tall. Because coconut up this and them drop off. But when them drop off, them spoil. You don't understand why I go on. Them too heavy and the gravitational pull on them dangerous. They will bust off. And you know how to make a man climb, you get one long stick and start push them off and start beat two coconut liquor. So wait till the visitors them come still. Saying, I will know the whole of the whole, yes. Rastafari. See there. Certain plant call them, yeah. Crook, you know. Rastafari. That was King Selassie, yeah. Everybody just walking in the yard. Like them things say, you don't know. And them want the place. They come deep up in the water and if you must sprinkle no island powder because them people are believing in them bomb buckler thing there. You know, see it? You see it? See the fence broke down, man. You see the water come through, you see it? Time. So I just put a stoppage to it and I come on and say once me I don't want a bomb buckler man in my yard, sir. See it? All of this have to go lick off and change. Buh! Rastafari. That means you have to go buy mesh with that. See it? See the shop, red, black, green, and gold, and King Selassie Federal in the square. The Lion of the tribe of Judah Federal. And Myjah. I want to live right here right now. But you see, through my general or university, Mark Golden. Black Sea, Taylor Hall with it there. See, give them a feature. Yeah, man, I mark that in front of the shop, man. Brother, I know youth and youth. And the man, I saw you, spar. Young. And I England and the man around. I want you. Stop, bro. Bless up, Mark. You know, see me? Rastafari. See, look at one latrine coming on a flush toilet. But this will change that with the help of Jah. Ever living God. See, flush toilet. Red out, Sunday, March 31st. A party them, you there, a party them advertise palm tree. What them I say? When this red out, we give them a punch palm thing. Sunday, March 31st. Red out, 10th anniversary. The ultimate at Berkshire Container, Westmoreland. Fun and after party. Oh, them place they know. Back cross them hills over, so you see them hills, they go way across. I can drive on the road, they go way around. I can go and walk through the bush. You see it? Red, gold and green. Red, black, gold and green. King Selassie. And a 3 deadly angel upon my shop, you know. Melto, Ardo, and Nat. Why them can't test them, man? The angel will mash them, slap them. Yo! But there, son, I'm not gone. Just come through the shop. I used to piss ya, so. Right, don't piss ya. Just want to come sweep up there, so through my penetrate the land. You see. Jah, Most High, ever living God. I'm gonna shop this one. Nothing I want at the shop star. Wickedness. But Jah know everything. Yeah, you can't walk me. Light in the shop. Put some light in the shop, Yeah, blessed morning. How are you? That's Carl who helped with the plowing. I mean, I ain't plowed the land. This man, great man. Chaplain. Yes, sir. I'm not sure, say, cursing I used to one of that job there. People need them cursing I. Some people use lamp when the lights go. You know, see nothing in the shop. Jah, have mercy, mercy, ever living, ever faithful. I wonder if I'm coming at the shop at night time. Can I do that? Come. Well, they broke it by the time. Over there they see broke, but I fix it and I put have a nice day when them see it. Them better blood clot have a nice day. Because them are dead one by one, so Jah crucify them. Rastafari. Ever living. Jah, God in whom all blessings flow. Nothing in all smell over. I saw some coin pad that. No buckle. See it. Ja. Yeah, man. See tape, yeah. Find him back. I make the beer, but the boy flat me run with my farm and I go in America. The boy out there, think him can't get to it. Post so sue you, man. Don't find out everything we done investigation. I can't come touch man rock college thing. Can't touch man idea. Brilliant mind bring brilliant ideas. So you know come with no idea. And I'm gonna do my research inside Odeli. Dr. Odeli, what you call yourself. Boy, you're a Christian. Make sure you don't take my farm and I can't gun nowhere. That's you get gunshot. Bomba clad. Think a pussy clad joke now make Odeli. Children, if you ever do that youth, this was for Jamaica, Woodland City with them ganja man and for the poor people. The small ganja farmer, for them root, for build them a area and it's well researched. Well, like how you do the research. I do my research. You know, I do no research around here. You know, I have no idea of Dr. Odeli. So I'm talk to you from now. And I play with my thing. I think she'll be big in the earth. I'm gonna make millions of my people then. Run off with man family, I get jealous. Get stupid and mad in your head. Think man a simpleton pussy. Fuck yourself, Odeli. I want your bum buckler. So enough of now do them things over there. And I say, but you see when the man time get serious now, you know. So don't play, Odeli. I want you. Wrap up. I get my man. Just run off with man to present the thing to Mark Golding and Minister Vaz. A whole heap of people, big people, was invited to the presentation. Going through. You come play with the thing. Wrap up, General. Play it. Get the thing personal. As usual, Lion of Judah, Federal, M. Myjah, the will of Jah, Rastafari. So the one pepper tree, that spring up and me give little fertilizer out of the back there, you know. I'll give you some sweet pepper and put in the food, you make the food nice. Soon come weed him out still. But I'm alone, I don't know, octopus with 20 hands, you know. Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure Woodland City, below where it's so surrounded, you know. See up there, sir. We have been doing, we are the distant hill, that's the peak. The Panama Blackwood Hills Mountain Peak. But the mother barn, you know, Etlin Blackwood. One light pole up there. Place to land helicopter and all them things then. And my cousin roll it now, my uncle. He leaves it for a boy where we get the internet from. But the boy don't want to give me no free internet like him want to box me and make him influence my cousin to take it off of the property. And he don't know we can do that. And my cousin rate me, you know. And he listen to me and take good counseling and advice and instruction from the general and even correction. Yeah, man. Selassie, Jah, Lion of Judah, shall break every chain and give I the victory again and again. The Lion of Judah shall break every chain. The Lion of Judah, blam blam, shall break every chain. The Lion of Judah shall break every chain and give an eye the victory again and again. Jah, Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure King Selassie the first, the King of Kings, Lords of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. I spread the places today. You know, seeing, woke up on somebody You know, the termites. So I walk down the stairs and have a fix it, but it a crack to blow. I don't know. Be things I reach, but Jah go provide. That's all we can keep saying as a Rasta man. One lady from England, but Miss Irma, nice girl, nice woman. It's nice and the one the money gonna live over there, so bless them up, see Myjah. See money gonna call them one tell one cow, see my cow in yam down for him grass. Good boy in him and hold up a cow him tie, but me no know me have pasture, me no tie cow, me Lego cow. But chuff me think pop down star. They move a throw it. Me not see a science, maybe a job beat, you know. A job move up people from around the pay. Give you a new lease of life at the tank, clean it up the other day. You know, just want some chlorine in that one. That one I even use for wash, but I use for wash until I put chlorine and go and pray. See Jah bless it, make it look so clean and fresh. Jah, so we can soon start using, make sun beat it no more. Come in there, people who come in the yard and throw all type of thing that water to affect it, because them people that go be a witchcraft them want to hold on the general. Jah, Rastafari. Be a ganja root now pack up in the sun. King Selassie, ever living, never faithful. Yeah, man. Jah, Most. Yeah, man. See, I want so I sap tree and I bring him. I come dig up around him. Like him a sparkle, you know. See, the other day, I chose some fertilizer and root recently. So like him a respond, you see it. Start push out. Yeah, man. It's no a lime tree. Never go on nothing. I come and dig him around and, you know, spruce come give him a little fertilizer and a little manure, natural. But look, me seems to start push up. You see, because you're so used to that. Look how tall the man there already, man. That man, a Jenna, you know. There's a girl tree still. You see, a girl. She give me enough fruits, you know. Enough vitamin C. See it. Rastafari. One more breadfruit tree. That one will be a nice breadfruit, you know. Yellow heart. You know, see? Yeah, man. Watch the breadfruit tree on the property. So when we come from now, you know, say, all who run Ghana go and run, come back. Only my children can come forward, yeah, so. Right, I know, and the boss, the General Jerry Fox. See, the leaf them a turn yellow, while them a spring up. See, it kind of come to the same. Dig up around him, because look when small and tiny. Should be a big fat chunk, you know. So dig up around him, give him some fertilizer. Hope me not affect him still. Come to know why them leaf has turned yellow, so maybe them lacking in nitrogen. So you need nitrogenous fertilizer at the root. Yeah, because nitrogen now it build the chlorophyll. Yeah, with it. Come on. Jah. Just some little dumping spot. Just put rubbish on us, burn it. Yeah, Rastafari. Some of us get a wrong town of the place, you know. Show you what I go on, you know. King Selassie, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Since we come on a nice green spot, you know. I get a thing to cut it low, but I don't want to cut him, make me go and weed him out. Weed out the bad grass out of him. Look how my ganja tree, them a sparkle. I'm going to dig up around them, you know. Take out the man one them. Can you see it? See if we see the man one in them same way. No, man, I be a woman plant them, you know, man. Sensible, finest. General, I grow a couple trees just for personal use. When certain general come, I get out one of them tree, you know, for Kalanji. Don't know, I have left one for the president, same way. Loves Kalanji, man. The man that inspire I when I was a youth. I'm the lowest moment of being song that we did a listen. Sister Kalanji, motivate myself back to, you know, powers. Sister Kalanji, man. Jah warrior. Praise ye Jah. Hail the Emperor, a King of Kings, to a fullness. Yeah, this is one of the problems, star. Bumbleclad, duck and stem. I don't know if you can see it. Watch the eye. Bumbleclad. Walk on the road. I need a little warrior to send up there. So like that. King Selassie. So one pumpkin I go and eat, you know. Remember just cut him and clean up and take piece out of it. You understand me? Because I'm still good, you know. Not sure you see him look so, you know. I cook soup and him in it. You know say. So give Jah the glory. Great things he has done. Jah is the Almighty. You know say. Jah! I lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help come upon the Lord God, Jah, who make heaven and earth. Jah will not suffer I put to be moved. Jah that keepeth Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. Jah that keepeth I and I will not slumber. But the Lord God Jah is my keeper. The Lord God Jah is the shade upon my right hand. Jah will never let the sun smite I by day, neither the moon by night. Jah shall protect thy from all evil. Jah shall protect thy soul. Jah shall protect thy in thy going out and in thy coming in. From this time henceforth and for I know. Jah.